Stick around this video where I'll be showing you how you can get 5 gig for 1000 naira with a validity of 14 days. First thing first, click on phone, enter star 312 hash, dial it, enter 1 for my offer, enter 2 for 1000 naira 5 gig for 14 days, enter 1 to activate, and there you go, your data 5 gig for 1000 naira has been activated. You can as well check your data balance by dialing star 323 hash to check your data balance. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell to never miss a video from this channel. Thanks for watching till the end. Stay blessed.